Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy Z Flip6. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy Z Flip6. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the Poetic Spartan case for the Z Flip6. I need to give a shout out to Poetic for sending this case out to me for a review. Like we normally do in our videos, we'll make sure everything lines up. Does the case add bulk? Can you wireless charge? Does the case fit well? Does it look good on the phone? Just the normal things you look for in a case video. You can pick up this case from Amazon. I will have the links in the description. This is a heavy duty case from them, so you should get that protection you look for. Follow them on their social media websites, I should say. So I did the Spartan for the Z Fold 6, and I still use that case today most of the time. So it has some installation guide here, replacement of strips if you want them. If I'm not mistaken, this one comes with the built-in screen protector. And yes, you have a built-in screen protector there. And then you have the back, bam. Again, it has this felt material on the back so you don't scratch up your beautiful panel in the back. Nice design there too. The kickstand is in the hinge part too. So you have a kickstand and everything. Let's take this plastic off. Maybe. They like trolling me with this on there. There you go. The cutouts look good too. This should give you a lot of protection. A lot of protection. Let's peel off this. Let's stick this bad boy on here. Just make sure you always want to make sure you get these to fit really well. And just open this up, slide this bad boy in there, make sure you get that on there good too. Bam. So again, it's going to protect your beautiful device. Everything lines up at the bottom. Everything lines up at, you know, as the case fits good, lines up everywhere too. The microphone cutouts there. The power button is easy to get to because you have an indentation there. Not bad at all. Vine rockers are nice and tactile. And you get, even without the built-in screen protector, look how much camera and lip protection you get around this whole phone. I mean, this whole case. So you have a lot of protection there. You have the extra grip on both sides. So you have that, when you hold it, you're not going to just drop it. And then the hinge opens and feels really good too. I love what they did here too. They made the design so it covers the back instead of your main display. So they switched where they put the hinge, and look, it doesn't cover up your display, so if you're doing selfies with the camera, you can see the whole picture you're taking. That's a nice design change. And the kickstand is sturdy too, so if you want to watch videos that way, you can definitely do so. Can you even use it like that? No. So yeah, if you want to watch videos this way, you're good to go. Not this way either. So bam, you have a kickstand on there. I like the design of the hinge. So you had that hinge protection too. But because they put the hinge on the back piece, they put the hinge on the front, but it doesn't cover the front when you open it up too. I think that's actually a great design. A lot of companies don't do it that way. And the case is on there too. It is definitely not coming off. Can you wireless charge? That's the last thing we need to answer in this video. And yes, you can wireless charge without any issues. Again, if you want to pick up this case, I will have the links in the description. You can get this case from Amazon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Flip6. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day. One more time. Drop test. Bam. If y'all made it this far, just put drop test in the comments. Peace out. Y'all have a great day.